How to find which columns contain any NaN value in Pandas data frame. Given a Pandas data frame containing possible NaN values scattered here and there. Question: how do I determine which columns contain NaN values? In particular, can I get a list of the column names containing NaNs?
Update, using Pandas 0.22.0. Newer Pandas versions have new methods dataframe.isNa and dataframe.notna. As list of columns. To select those columns containing at least one NaN value. Bold answer. Try to use IceNull. Or as at root proposed clearer version. To select a subset, all columns containing at least one NaN value.
You can use df.iceNull.sum. It shows all columns and the total NaNs of each feature.
I had a problem where I had too many columns to visually inspect on the screen, so a shortlist comp that filters and returns the offending columns is. If that's helpful to anyone. Adding to that, if you want to filter out columns having more NaN values than a threshold, say 85%, then use NaN_calls 85 equals I for I in df.columns if dfi.iceNull.sum is greater than 0.85 len data.
This worked for me. 1. Forgetting columns having at least one null value. Column names. 2. Forgetting columns with count, but having at least one null value. Optional. 3. Forgetting percentage of the null count.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.